Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel here at that Kilted Guy DIY home improvement videos. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this out. I'm going to keep this video really short for you so you don't have to skip away. Just going to let you know what we do here at that Kilted Guy videos. What I do is, it's my goal here on this channel to teach you guys how to do your own home improvement projects so that I can empower you to tackle your own projects, get them done right, and to save you some money. My slogan is to do it right, because I'm going to teach you how to do it and do it right. We're going to cover a little bit of everything. I have done about everything there is on construction, so I'm going to teach you all of the common tasks and everything from installing doors and trim to a lot of drywall and paint techniques. So check out our video. I hope you'll subscribe, click on that bell icon, that way you get notified of all the upcoming videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Be sure and comment so I know you're out there. Thanks a lot.